G'day and welcome back to Down the Shed with Byron, and today I'm changing out the air filter on the Mazda CX7. The air filter is located in the engine bay, just over to the side here, and there's a couple of clips you'll need to undo. I've put a little yellow dot on each clip you need to unclip. There's only 4 of them, so 2 at the front, 1 on the side, and just 1 at the back. Relatively easy to unclip. Just push down and they pop off. With all those clips undone, I like to undo the airflow meter. Just pull that off. Now mine's broken here under the clip, but you can sometimes pull that out. Just out the way. With them out the way, you should be able to lift the top of the airbox up. It will get caught just underneath the body here. Just push it back in and up. You'll be able to pull your air filter out. You'll find there'll be some dirt and bugs in the bottom of the filter box. I like to give that a vacuum out. Once the air box is all cleaned out, you can fit your new air filter. What I like to do is put the kilometres that you changed it or the date on the side. Slot the air filter back into place. Reposition the top of the filter box. Just have to push it in a little bit across and make sure it's sitting square, and those little clips are underneath. Pretty much there. Clip it back on. Remember to reconnect your airflow meter. Just push that back on. Clip. Now back into place. Job done. Hope this video helps you out. Take it easy.